my darlings. Who's ready for some fresh air?
Meow.
Meow?
Meow!
Check this out.
Wow, look at that.
This is nice.
I'll get it.
Be careful in there, Milo.
We're right behind you.
We did it.
That was fun.
Let's play some more.
Good job, my sweethearts. All right, my darlings, it's playtime.
Look at this.
Wow, look at that butterfly.
Ah, this is perfect for a roll.
You three always find the joy in every moment.
Did you see me chase that ball? I'm unstoppable.
Not as unstoppable as me and my butterfly.
You two are just so silly.
Uh-oh, the ball.
Oops.
What do we do now?
I'll get it. Follow me, girls. I'll go first. Stay close, girls.
Right behind you, Milo.
We're with you, Milo.
Almost there.
I see it.
We can do this.
Got it.
Let's get back.
Together.
We did it.
I'm so glad we got it back.
It's always better when we work together.
Let's get back to the yard.
Race you there.
Ready, set, go.
I think we can all agree that was the best adventure yet.
I love how we always find our way back to each other.
And back to the yard. It feels like home.
Nothing beats ending the day like this.
And with the best company.
Let's make this our tradition.
Dinner time, my little adventurers.